At the 2025 BIZNOVATOR Camp, we're not just unlocking potential, we're unleashing creators and future leaders. This isn't a typical summer camp. It's a launchpad for tomorrow's innovators. Participants dive into hands-on experiences in entrepreneurship, technology, leadership, and mindfulness, giving them a head start for college and beyond. They don't just learn, they take action, creating startups and tackling real-world challenges. With cutting-edge teaching and exploratory learning, BIZNOVATOR equips students to thrive in an ever-evolving world. Parents, empower your child to lead with confidence, creativity, and ambition. Enroll them in the 2025 BIZNOVATOR Camp, where the future changemakers are made.